Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into something that can truly change your life: the art of positive self talk. And the intention has already been set by Sejalji. And now, you might be wondering, what is self talk? Well, it's the little voice inside your head that's always chatting away. Sometimes it's nice and encouraging, like a cheerleader, but at times it can be a bit of a bully. And the good news is, you have the power to turn that voice into your biggest supporter. You know, think of it in this way, like you're playing a video game. Now, in video game, you have those lives, extra power. So assume that to be your positive self-talk because it helps you keep going even when things are tough. So, self talk is like your inner dialogue, what you say to yourself in your mind. Now, it's like having a conversation with yourself for all day long. Now, this can be positive as well as negative. See, when we are in that negative self talk zone, we would say, I'm terrible at this. I can't do this. I never get things right. I'm hopeless, right? I can't do anything properly. But when we talk about positive self talk, the script is like, oh, I'll give my best shot. I'm learning. I'm improving every day. Any failure is like a feedback. It's a learning for me. So that's what we call a positive self-talk. Now let me give you an example. Imagine you are trying to solve a tricky maths problem. Of course, many people actually are afraid of maths. So the negative self-talk might say, "Oh, I'm so bad at maths. I'll never figure this out. When I'm going to learn?" But positive self talk would be, oh, this is hard, but I'm still trying. And I'll keep on trying till I get it right. See the difference. One makes you feel stuck, while the other gives you hope and energy. So, positive self talk is like planting seeds in a garden. So, if you plant positive seeds like kindness and encouragement, what you'll grow? Confidence and happiness. But if you plant negative seeds of doubt and fear, of course, you'll grow frustration and sadness. You say, we call it in Hindi, जो जैसा बोओगे वैसा पाओगे. So, if you plant positive seeds, you get positive results. If you plant negative seeds, you get negative results. Now, let me share one more relatable example. Have you ever played sports and missed a shot? For example, in basketball or in football? Now, negative self talk might say, I'm so bad at this. I never get this done right. I let my team down. But a positive self talk would be, it's okay. Sports are about teamwork. I'll practice more and try again next time. And that shift in thinking makes all the difference. Now, you might be wondering how to actually get this positive self talk, how to practice it. So, let me give you a few tips on this. And if you want, you can definitely note it down. Number one, catch your inner critic. That is, pay attention to when your inner voice gets negative. For example, if you spill juice on your shirt and think, I'm so clumsy, stop right there. Flip it to, oops, Everyone spills sometimes. I'll clean it up. I'll be more careful. Number two, use affirmations. Start your day by saying something kind to yourself in the mirror. And you actually wrote down the affirmations just a little while ago. Try phrases like I am brave, I am capable. It might, you actually might feel silly at first, but believe me, it works. It has worked for so many, including me. So I'm sure if you do it, it'll work for you. Then, number three, reframe negative thoughts. When something goes wrong, find the silver lining. For example, if you lose in a game, instead of saying I'm terrible, try saying I learned something new today. I'll do better next time. Number four, treat yourself like a friend. Very, very important. Imagine what you would say to your best friend if they made a mistake. You wouldn't say you're awful. Instead, you would say that it's okay. Mistakes happen. So try saying the same thing to yourself. Be your own best friend. Be supportive like you are supportive to your best friend. So be supportive to yourself too. And number five, celebrate small wins. In the previous video, also, we talked about our small wins and how they help us. They remove self doubts from our mind. So, for example, if you say, did you finish your homework early? High five yourself. Did you help someone today? Give yourself a pat on your back. Give yourself credit. These tiny victories actually remind you how awesome you are. So let me share a story about my friend Gaurav. Gaurav was scared of singing in front of people because he thought his voice wasn't good enough. Every time he practiced, his inner critic would say, you're going to mess up. So Gaurav decided to flip the script with positive self talk. And he began saying, I'm improving every day. My voice is unique and beautiful. And guess what? He rocked his performance at school and felt amazing because he actually became very popular in school and everybody, wants to be friends with him. So he got importance. So as we wrap up, today's episode on positive self-talk, remember, you are the author of your own story. The words you choose to tell yourself shape how your story unfolds. So, why not make those words uplifting and empowering? So, let me leave you with a beautiful thought. Talk to yourself as if you're talking to someone you love. Because guess what? You deserve that love too. So try to love yourself. Try to give importance to yourself. So, starting today, I challenge each one of you to practice one act of positive self talk every day for the next week. Now, whether it's saying an affirmation in the morning or flipping a negative thought during the day, give it a try. Write down how it makes you feel. And I would definitely want to know. Put it in the comment box. Your journey, your self talk, your experience, your feeling. It would do a world of good not to your own self, but to all of the people who are actually reading your comments. So be generous, be present to this thought. So thank you all for being here today. And remember, you have the power to turn your inner voice into your biggest cheerleader. And that's truly magical. So let's go out there and spread positivity within ourselves and others. Thank you.